What's poppin'? It is chatting with Alicia. Well, I didn't finish my crab from yesterday at Hot and Juicy. So I'm gonna finish my crab today from Hot and Juicy. It's a mukbang. Finally, a real mukbang. So, I reheated my food. From yesterday. It's hot. That motherfucking sauce, shit, hot, hot. From Hot and Juicy. My mouth on fire already. My mouth on fire already, and I didn't get any juice or water to cool it off. A mukbang. Hot and Juicy seafood boy. Ooh. Y'all see it? We're gonna leave it where it's at. So I was sitting here about sleep, watching the Kevin Hart new video where he talked about his life and his kids and his wife, and he was talking about everything that's going on in the news with him. And I was like, half the way sleep. You see my hair? Sleep. And I woke up because I was hungry. So I decided to talk to you guys real quick so I could do this mukbang, because I haven't been doing it right. You're supposed to sit in front of the TV or sit in front of the camera, I should say, and eat. And my shit ain't been coming out right. So now, finishing my hot and juicy from yesterday. And if you guys watched, you seen the video from yesterday. It was me trying to finish my food. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot. Watching these mukbangs, I've been told, or I've seen that you should say your grace. And I didn't say my grace, so I'm going to say my grace. Dear Lord, thank you for blessing my kids, bless my family, who is so far and so near to God. Bless my kids. Please hear all our financial prayers that you have to God. Please bless the roof of my head to God. Amen. Y'all. Hot. Hot and juicy yesterday was great. Did you hear my voice? Like I said, it's been like that since yesterday. I don't really feel like hollering and shit. But I want to talk to you guys and eat to finish this food. So you guys can see me finish my food. Because y'all know that I needed to finish this before it went bad. I was digging on this piece of crap. So, anyway, this is the rest of my food from yesterday because I didn't eat all of it. I need to sit here and eat it. But it's so hot. So hot. But I want it so bad. And I wanted to finish and show you guys that I finished my hot and juicy crab. So, you get your official mukbang. See where my kids at. Kids! Kids! Children! Erin! They might be asleep. Because they do got school in the morning. Because school is back in. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, my God. Let's talk about school is back in. Thank you, Jesus. And the fact that I wanted these kids back in school so they could stop sitting here doing nothing. Because that's what they were sitting here doing. Nothing. My oldest is 17. Kids! She ain't even feel good. Erin, 14. She's my crabby one. Kids! Somebody come. What you doing?
What you doing?
You want a piece? Where Erin? She asleep? Erin! Come here. Here comes see Erin, y'all.
Yes.
Here, baby. I'm finishing my mukbang for my food. Want some? Y'all, look at this child. Look at it.
Hey, y'all.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, y'all. Hey. Oh, I'm like sleepy. Hey, y'all.
So, mommy wanted to know if you want some.
Yeah, I want some.
Okay, so we gotta finish this because I'm doing a mukbang. And I didn't do it. And this is my first true mukbang.
Right.
So, we need to finish this crab so I don't have to throw it away.
Right, because you're not throwing this away.
Right, can you hear me finish?
Yeah.
Okay, because my mouth hot. My mouth is really hot. And I don't got no water. Oh, water's over there, people.
She said I ain't got no water in the water.
Oh my God, y'all. Let me tell y'all how I stole these. Oh my God. Y'all see this? How I stole the silverware? We're not going to tell nobody. But yep, I stole the silverware. Look, you got one, baby. We got to wash it off.
Thank you.
I stole the silverware, y'all, so I could finish the crab. You better not have showed your body. Y'all, she naked because she got to go to school in the morning. Hurry up. Let me see, y'all. Go. Okay, can't see her. She got to wash off her silverware. Wash mine off, too. Can y'all can really see this? Oh, yeah, you can still see. My mouth is burning. Ooh. My mouth is hot. I gotta get up at 7 in the morning. Go to work. And I was sitting here almost asleep, y'all. Sleep. Oh, Erin is back. She washed my silverware off a little bit. What do you call these things? Crab? Are they crab crunchers? That's what I want to call them. Crab crunchers. Because they help out when you biting your crab. Oh, shit. So, I don't really have nothing to talk about because I was asleep just now. I gotta wake up. I just knew that I had the munchies and I was hungry. I knew that. That was good. Look at my corn. It's gone. I ain't eat no corn. But I know my baby. She's gonna be back. She's putting on the clothes, y'all. She gonna have me finish this crab before I really go to sleep.
Sorry, y'all. I had to get ready. I was just laying down, sitting there, listening to music. My mom finally brought me headphones. Oh, Mama, there goes what Latrice was talking about. Her green one. Oh, sorry. Hey, y'all.
Take your hair wrap off. Your hair is cute. I did her passion twist yesterday in a crochet, and I thought it was cute. So I need her to show it. Scoot over.
I can't. Cause the table.
In. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. You can see. I was like, hey y'all, girl.
We gotta finish this.
So y'all, my mama been having this crab. It wasn't alone.
It was yesterday.
I know.
So I gotta finish it.
So,
because Latrice fat ass, if y'all watched the video, Latrice fat ass took me to Hot and Juicy yesterday. And, oh shit, that was hard. I just want to finish my crab. I don't want it to go to waste.
right.
So me and my baby gonna finish my crab.
How was y'all day? Comment down below. If you had a bad day, let us know.
I gotta get some water, girl.
Oh,
Whoa.
Y'all, when my mama first brought this home, I was like, ooh. And I was like,
That
oh.
shit hot, y'all.
I was like, ooh. And I was like, can I get some? And she was like, yeah. So I had some
Water.
I have one in the house. I mean, I have one in the room, but I don't need it. But thank you.
I need it, y'all. My mouth is hot. Oh, my mouth is hot. That was too much. I'm trying to look cute eating crab.
Mm-hmm.
No.
No, that's not possible.
You look cute.
Thanks.
Your hair looks cute.
Thanks.
Everybody look at my baby hair. My baby hair is cute. I like them passion twists.
Me too.
I might have to do it on myself. Oh, Erin, look.
Oh. Wait, no, you got short on the front. Wait.
Show them the
Because it
front.
don't look right from the back. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
With hot and juicy sauce, y'all. That is hot and juicy sauce on the crab.
Right. Good thing you don't make your sauce like this, because boy, I would never be eating yourself because it's too hot.
I was like, oh my God, that's what I said to Latrice. This shit is hot. But it's hot and juicy sauce.
Right. I mean, it does say hot and juicy, so I see why.
I throw the bag away. I should have showed y'all the bag. Look, I'm using my utensil, y'all, that I stole to crack my crab. Don't tell nobody.
Y'all, so y'all need to like comment down below.
Look, Erin.
What we should do.
Subscribe, like.
Hit the bell.
That's what they be saying. Hit the bell.
Yeah.
To subscribe to my YouTube channel. The summer is coming. Winter's almost over.
Girl,
I hope my voice be back right.
it's not.
My voice,
Summer's not coming. It's spring.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Spring
She
is coming.
said spring. I mean, she said summer.
I was thinking about my voice, y'all. I miss my voice because I can sing. I really can sing.
Y'all, this is so good. I know. Did you wake up out your sleep just to eat
Just
this?
to eat. Yeah.
Oh, that's how you know she love y'all.
So, let's talk about being a YouTuber.
Right.
Okay. So, when you do the music, do you have to put...
Oh, I don't know all
I
of
don't
that.
own my own rights? You see how they say I don't own the rights to this music?
And it be like copyright? Yeah.
How does that work?
Mm-hmm.
Because I be wanting to play music.
Because some people be going in the mall. I mean, some people like, for example, when they vlogging and they go to the mall, they gotta like stop the camera and record when they leave the mall because of the copyright of the music in the mall.
See, I don't know nothing about that, y'all. I'm just not starting off, so I'm gonna have to learn. And I must say, once again, let me say, I don't know nothing about the copyrights of music. I need to Google it so I can figure out what the hell they talking about. Because I like music.
What made you say that?
Because I want to play music.
Oh. No, what made you say about the copyright? Like, how did you figure out about it?
I've seen people say that on YouTube.
Oh, y'all.
I've seen people that be like, oh, I don't own the copyrights to this music or this song.
Oh my God.
Right, that's your head wrap. You need a towel?
Mm-mm.
So, me and Erin had to do this mukbang real quick because Erin Constance wasn't feeling it.
Right.
So, we almost at 20 minutes or whatnot. I've learned that too, baby. They say you gotta make your videos fast. Have you seen that?
No.
Oh shit. Where you don't watch, people don't like watching long videos.
Right.
So, that's why I say this mukbang be sad because we ain't got no music. But I forgot, that's what a mukbang is. You're eating.
Yeah.
And talking.
Right.
So this is my 14-year-old. I love my baby to death.
I love you.
She's getting so big.
I am.
We started back to school today. Oh my God, let's talk about that. Oh my God, baby, you got hair on your eye. Okay. We started back to school today. You started school. Tell me about school.
Well, yeah, come back from the break.
Yes, let's listen about school.
So, school was good today. First period, good. Oh, well, my first period got switched. Because if you had gym for first and second quarter, they switched your class to health. So now I got health because I had gym for first.
Mm-hmm.
So health was good today. He just talked our head off. And then, that's it for first period. And then I was just hanging out with my friends.
Second period?
That was good. Actually, no, second period, I really dislike him, but...
A new teacher?
It's the same one, but I just don't like him. But... No, we both saying... Oh, y'all look. Look, and then you gotta put some of the sauce in there. I
didn't even need extra sauce.
Right.
I had that much sauce left over, y'all. Okay, you said you had a burger for lunch?
I didn't say that.
You didn't? I thought you said you had a burger.
Oh, that's what I told you earlier, but yeah. I had a burger for lunch, and our lunch is weird, so.
Oh, yeah. That's what I was thinking about. But I remember when we used to have burgers for lunch, them burgers used to be fire.
They still live.
In South Carolina, at Southwood Middle School. Big ups. It ain't Southwood Middle School no more. It's something else. But big ups to Southwood Middle School for their burgers.
Oh, can I get that shrimp?
Yeah.
Because is this shell crab leg right here?
I don't know. I just want to finish this shit because
Right.
Big up to Westside High School because Westside High School was my high school, was the shit. Oh, y'all. You see I keep fucking my weave? I can't keep it right. Oh.
This stuff really hot.
Hot and juicy hot. It's hot, Erin. I don't know what Latrice ordered yesterday.
But hers wasn't hot?
Yeah, this was hot. I ain't ordering this shit no more.
Why?
It was too hot. Ooh, I like this part of it. Y'all see this? I like this part of the crab. You can have this.
So can I have the bottom?
Yeah. Look, I left meat in there.
Thanks.
I don't know why I like this part of the crab.
She loves that part.
It's meat all up and through here, and it's hot and juicy sauce all up and through here.
So it's gonna be really hot. Right. No, we both said right.
Shit, Erin. My homegirl baby used to do that. So now I be laughing because I got a habit of doing that when food is good. I want to start. Oh, what Mark Wayne say?
Yum.
Yum. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow. This is so good. Like I said, this is hot and juicy crab.
So make sure you go get it. If you like hot stuff, but if you don't, you're gonna...
I don't even know what hot and juicy I was at. But I'm in Vegas. So I'm sure it ain't that many hot and juicies in Vegas.
I thought it is. Oh, I know where one is. It's by Chinatown.
That's where I was at yesterday.
Oh.
You didn't watch my video?
No. Not at all.
I was in Chinatown yesterday. And when I was over there, I kept telling Teresa, I was like, this is what my baby daddy used to bring me. Because they used to have lowrider shows over there. Oh, y'all. This is ridiculous.
So what you gonna do after this? Go back to sleep?
Yeah. I got work in the morning. Y'all gotta be at work at 7 in the morning. So I gotta be up with these girls.
What time is it off?
7 to 3.
Oh.
Oh, it make you do that. Look at my fingers. Hot.
Is this it?
Yeah.
I don't know if one more crab leg. I'm gonna eat it. Yum. This stuff is so good.
Oh, Erin.
No, I can't even talk. I'm that.
Is that hot?
What is?
The food is that hot.
Yeah.
So you guys,
thanks for watching.
and we are finishing our first real mukbang because we keep saying mukbang, but we've never. Is it mukbang?
I don't know what it is.
But this is the first time we sat in front of the camera.
Right, and really ate.
Recorded.
We had crab boil 3 times.
And y'all watched it. I video recorded.
Right. Y'all just, it's not really a mukbang because we never sat there and ate, so.
And I'm glad I didn't do this because it was hot. Oh. Y'all, my ass gonna be on fire tonight.
Ew, no one wants to hear
I
that.
know, I don't care. It's real talk. Real talk in the hood. Chatting with Alicia.
Yeah.
I'm finished. I love y'all.
Wow, we love y'all.
Join in soon. See you later.
Because she speaks real fast.
Give me kisses.
Huh?
Kisses to our new fans. Kisses.
Bye.